What's up, guys? It's Double Nicks, and welcome to another review of an IPO for Prospect Energy Holdings Corp, which will be trading under ticker symbol AMGS, Alpha, Mike, Golf, Sierra. Although some sources are actually saying the ticker symbol might be AMGSU, so it might be AMGSU maybe. I'm going to go with AMGS for now, but just note that some sources are saying that the proposed symbol might be AMGSU. And it'll be trading on the NASDAQ exchange, which will be IPOing on October 18th of 2023. Now, before we begin, ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you guys that if you want access to our private Discord, so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link to join will be in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, and this past week, for example, we called out TPST prior to its 4,500% run on Wednesday of this past week. We also called SECO, which ended up running up 1,131%. So I just got to say, ladies and gentlemen, we are just made different, man. Just made different, you know. The early bird gets the cash, the moolah, the loot, the cashola, the big bucks, I tell you. And honestly, look, if I told you all the runners that we caught this week, we'd be here all day. So let's get right into this. And also, by the way, we have included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380, probably closer to 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more, guys. Of course, if you are, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading in stocks if you join the membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. Now, let's get right into this. So, Prospect Energy Holdings Corp is a newly incorporated blank check company incorporated as a Cayman Islands exempted company with limited liability for the purpose of effecting a merger, share exchange, asset acquisition, share purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more businesses/entities. So it could be a business and entity, whichever one. They just want to do mergers, asset acquisitions, and things like that with other businesses or entities. So that's basically what they're planning on doing. They intend to focus their search for target businesses in the Asian Pacific, excluding China, with emphasis on Canada or Australia, and for companies engaged in the clean energy industry, concentrating on the utilization of clean coal or other evolving segments in the clean industry ecosystem, particularly the use of carbon, hydrogen, and renewable energy. Other areas may include energy storage, distributed energy, zero-emission transportation, carbon utilization, low or carbon-free industrial applications, and sustainable manufacturing. Now, Prospect Energy Holdings Corp. was founded in the U.S. in 2023 and operates in the shell companies industry in the financial sector. As for the employee amount, I don't really, there wasn't really anything I saw there. So let's actually turn our attention to the IPO details. So the Prospect Energy Holdings Corp. is offering 7,500,000 shares with its initial public offering, and the IPO stock price has been set to $10 per share. And with these numbers, the deal size is estimated to be around $75 million. Investors will have the opportunity to participate in the growth and potential of AMGS as it expands its operations and continues to innovate in the shell companies industry. Now, please note, ladies and gentlemen, we are not stock professionals. We are not stock advisors, nor are we financial planners. This is just a show. Hey! Always do your own due diligence before purchasing anything in the stock market at all whatsoever. Now, as for me, I personally might not pre-buy the stock for a variety of reasons. However, I will be watching the price action on it closely. For me, personally, it's not a Chinese IPO, which tends to be the flavor of the day in the IPO world. Not to mention that its price per share is high for an IPO. I mean, it's $10 per share for an IPO. especially an IPO for a company that was just founded this past year. So I don't know. For me, it's not something I personally would do. Again, this is not stock advice. Do your own due diligence. You do you. This is just my opinion. Now, that's pretty much it for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon for notifications when new videos are uploaded. And as always, it's Double Nicks. I love you guys. I love you. And I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye.